Hearing disruption, that's so cool. That's so cool. A month ago, we had our strategic planning with CBCC and all the officers. And I thought this is an important kickstart where we should really start mapping where we are going. We are here, we are UNESCO Creative City. Where we're going is up to us. And to me, I think this is important. How we get to where we're going is important. I am very, very happy that Thames International is here. We miss Joel Santos. Unfortunately, he had been taken ill, sayang. He was supposed to be with us, the president of Thames. But he has his full team here with us now. And we are happy to kickstart a very, very important training course. And sa akin, I think this is something that we all need. I've been in government, and I look at myself quite trained and retired. I've been in the tourism industry for so long. I've been exposed in the global arena. I love creatives. I love artworks. I collect. And having Baguio as UNESCO Creative City, which I am quite fortunate to have started it with a few friends. And so where we are going is something important. When I took my oath as co-chair of the Creative Baguio City Council, I committed myself to making sure that the creative communities of Baguio will be compared to a lot of creativities and can compete in the global arena. That's our goal. And so to me, I thank Thames International for sharing their time with us. Gian is one of the most important personage in Thames International. He has trained and he has studied overseas, and this is his expertise. James Ryan is here with us, also from Thames. Chino Aricaya is here to share with us many lessons in creativity and innovation. And Dale, who is going to be helping us with step-by-step innovation and ways forward. Somebody told me, ano ba yung imagineering? Ano ba yung disruption? Creativity is all about expression. Right? It's all about expression. And creativity is innate in the city of Baguio. But we need to be able to put that creativity in the context of global exposure and what it is in a progression to be able to be part of both national and global arena. To me, I'd like to share, and I'm sure Thames International would like to share the expertise and the knowledge that we have earned for many years in global exposure. And I'd like to give that back to our creative community. And that's the reason why, immediately after our strategic planning, Joel Santos said, let's do e-commerce. Sabi ko, Joel, more than anything else, let's start them with product development. And he agrees with this. And we will do this in phases. Imagineering, creativity. What you dream, what you imagine. It is all about your exposure in your environment, your friends, how you develop your creativity. Disruption. Even in tourism, ano ba yung disruption sa tourism? Airbnb was a disruption in the mainstream of tourism. We all know that it's all hotels, right? Hotels, you travel, you have hotels, inns, pensions. Who would think that immersive tourism will come to be and Airbnb was born? Who would think Uber is a disruption? in the mainstream. That is disruption. Because owners of Uber, the founders of Uber, they don't even have a single vehicle. But now, they are running a business that involves transportation in a global arena. Disruption. In creativity, it will be the same. You will be disrupted with what you know. It is out of the box. That is disruption. So I'm so excited with the course. I'm so excited, and I think our team from TEMS are also excited to know who you are and what they can do for us. It is really a privilege and an honor for all of us to be listening to TEMS International. All they want to do is share their expertise. And that's what Joel Santos told me. We just want to share, and so that underlying there is that they want the Philippines to prosper in the global arena. We've had many revolutions in the global scene. No? We have industrial revolution. We have demographic revolution that had enveloped the whole world. And now we have happiness revolution. Happiness revolution. So I think that's where creativity belongs. Happiness revolution. And so we will learn more about how we will be in the future. Sabi ko nga kay Ian, you know what we will do henceforth, starting today, I'm putting my sights in November when we go to Baguio. What you will produce out of these learnings that you will have in the 7-week course, we would like to see new ideas coming up, new products that will be seen by many people in America. That's not going to stop there. The lessons that we will learn, and I've said this also with my peers in CCC, I said, every year we have to break glass ceilings. We have to reach certain excellence. Then you can have e-commerce. Okay, so I'm not prolonging this. I think we will engage in one another as we progress in the lessons and the courses. Marami pong salamat. Thank you for being here. Your being here is an indication that you want to learn and want to improve your creativity. So maraming salamat again. Dian, James, and Chico and Dale are here. They are our partners as well. And you can approach them and ask questions as we be. So this is a course where engagement, no, is essential. So sabi nga ni Ian earlier, sabi niya, walang ipunan dito, we will challenge everybody. So be open-minded. I think that's important, no? You all have your own creative crafts and all that, and I'm sure you feel ownership to it, and you are confident na ang galing-galing ko. Lahat tayo, even me, I always think I'm magaling, but no. You know, every day is a lesson learned, and every day we grow with that lesson. So I think the courses that you will experience henceforth is something that will be part of growth. We will grow together. So mabuhay ang Baguio Creative City, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Magandang umaga.